Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Leanne. I'm the illustrator at Premier World Co, and I'm re-recording this intro because as I was editing the vlog for this week, I realised that I had some makeup in my eye that just didn't look good. So I thought I would reintroduce myself and let you know what's coming up in today's vlog. Today we are working on some vinyl stickers and hope you've got a good hot cup of coffee, hot chocolate, tea and some treats, and enjoy this short vlog. Sure, this is the best angle, but it is the one that we've got. Let me have a look and see if I can make this better. So we've started off today with the pudding vinyl sticker. I've had this in my head to start with the Christmas collection, which I'll be launching at the end of next week. And I've been trialling the Cricut Access subscription, which has really helped speed up the process as far as making stickers is concerned. I'd be curious to know if anyone else uses the Cricut Access and whether they find that useful or beneficial. It's definitely something I'm testing out at the moment, and here you can see me having a go with the new Kiss Cut / Die Cut sticker. I'm about to peel back the stickers and see if this worked, but today I'm trying something different. I'm using the Cricut Access subscription. I've added an extra cut to each of the vinyl stickers to offer an opportunity to make it easier for people to peel back their vinyl stickers. Often you need to have really good nails, so this is something I'm trying for all my vinyl stickers, and on this first try I have to say you'll notice here it didn't quite go to plan. I think one of the cuts was a little too deep, which meant it didn't quite work properly. However, that is the reality of running a creative business. Not everything goes to plan first time, so I wanted to keep it in to show you the real raw process. Here you go. I've realised, okay, well the vinyl sticker's fine, came up lovely, but the idea to have an extra cut round the edge didn't quite work on this occasion. However, I'm going to keep going, and these stickers are still usable and perfect condition. Really pleased with the size of them and the colour. Here I'm testing what it looks like to peel back the die cut sticker without the extra cut, and it wasn't too bad, to be fair. So these can still be popped into the future craft markets. As you can see, it's so satisfying to peel a sticker back. I don't know about you, but I find that satisfying. I'm still going to go ahead though and try get that extra cut in, because I want to make it super easy for people to peel back their stickers. Now I know they're really popular stickers for popping on water bottles and laptops, but I thought I would have a go at decorating my journal, because I had lots of space where I've had to quickly jot ideas down but forgot to decorate. I've been bullet journaling for quite a few years now, and yeah, these are a really good way to decorate your front cover if you want a statement piece. So I've just had another go at printing the pudding vinyl sticker, and I've changed the settings of the blade, which seems to have worked, because now we have this lovely sticker that has been die cut round the edge, kiss cut in the middle, which means you can then peel back and remove the sticker much easier than before. I'm really pleased with this one. I almost thought about outsourcing the vinyl sticker, but this has actually worked, so really pleased with how this turned out. This is one that I just wanted to show you and how it would work. Peels back like so easy. I'm in love. Let me know what you think in the comments. printed out the giant popcorn stickers that I just had in my mind to do. Kind of different to the Christmas stickers we started with, but how cute! I love it. I know I may be sticking these on my journal, but you know, I'm just excited about a giant popcorn vinyl sticker. And now I've finally found the cut pressure for this sticker paper, so happy days. Let's cut. The only thing I need to find now though is I've got little boxes to store the stickers in for now, but they're just like these makeshift boxes, so I think I need to find an alternative solution. But in the meantime, we go with what we have. So our vinyl cut stickers are the size of my hand, my palm. I do have fairly small hands, but these are actually 75 millimeters, so a really good size. And if I compare it with one of the old pack of stickers, these are about A5 size, so you can see they're quite a good size. Definitely bringing these planner stickers back. What do you think? Got a little magnum, some sweets, popcorn, tickets to the cinema, date night. I absolutely love this pack. I want to use it in my diary, so we'll try maybe for so yeah, at the movies stickers coming back. These are the old colours, so we'll see if we keep them, but and we're back. I've been using the iPhone for a good portion of this vlog because I didn't charge this camera. Then I went to add my new little lava mic. That doesn't have any battery in it. I've made 2 sets of vinyl stickers and I've decided I'm going to go back and print the pumpkin patch gathering stickers now that I have a even better setting for the sticker on the Cricut machine. So that's what we're doing. And then we're going to move to this computer and start with the sublimation. I quickly quickly realised that there would be no time to do sublimation in today's vlog, but stay tuned, I will be doing this in a future vlog. Now this vlog turns out to be pretty long, so I've decided to cut halfway and then we'll show you some of the other vinyl stickers that I made and the process of how that is done on next week's vlog. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned.